Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got two radios from Jeff's collection. Now, Jeff collects radios. Many of them are just for the novelty of them and that they're very unique. And I got two radios. I was going to start with this GE because it's got a really nice display. AM, FM, case is perfect condition, but it doesn't work. I tried two different batteries and I couldn't get it to come on. So we're not going to do that one. Put that aside. So I picked this one next, which is a global. And let me look up the spec sheet he gave me. He says this is a GR-900 AM radio. You paid $10 for it. From a guy who doesn't like pocket transistor radios. Now, it's a 1961 vintage, and his notes say works fine as is. Jeff, I have to disagree with you. This thing is insane. It is crazy. Let me get it out of the case. Got a nice case, carrying strap. Uses 9-volt battery, and it's red. I like red radios. So does Jeff. There it is. There's the back of it. There's where the battery case is, cover is. Nice dial, but tuning is insane. Look at the tuning dial. It's tiny. It's recessed. It's not worn down. You can see the notches in it. And it does turn pretty smooth. Well, no, it doesn't. It's stuck now. I can barely move it. This is a nightmare. Now, let me try to tune a station. This is AM. Turn it on. It wants to sit this way. Haven't found a station so far. There's one. Now I'm trying to get it in. It's insane trying to tune this thing. Let me turn this off. This may be causing interference. Okay, I got that off. I can't find a station. I'm tuning it as finely as I can. There's one. Okay. There's one there. That's 970. It's a very strong local station. Don't have it tuned in. Oh man, this is tough. Oh, I had it there. Where'd it go? Oh, come on. There it is. I know I can tune it in better. Well, I know it can be tuned in better, but I'm struggling. There. Got it.
The IRS is willing to forgive $1 billion
now
in tax.
Now that I got it tuned in, and this is, like I say, a very strong local station, it's coming in clear. But boy, was it tough to tune it. Oh my gosh, this was insane. It is very unique though. Very unique radio in fine condition. But as far as listening, unless you want to only listen to one or two stations that are strong, forget it. Thanks you, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. I'm sorry this one doesn't work. I was really looking forward to testing that because it's just the opposite of this one as far as tuning. Very smooth tuning, although it is on the top. Very, very smooth tuning. But I can't try it. It won't come on. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.